The cryptocurrency crackdown is in full force in 2023, and I'm telling you, it's not just in the United States. It is literally a global movement. You know, you've noticed over the last couple of years how these governments, when they realize that control is working, all of a sudden they're all working together to control the citizens that live in those governmental states. Think about it. We had a disease that came across, and every government across the world was in accordance with one another. We've got lockdowns that come across, and every government is in accordance with one another. We've got a threat to the monetary system here in the United States and across the globe called cryptocurrency, and every government is in accordance with one another to stop you from investing in cryptocurrency for one reason and one reason only. They are rolling out CBDCs, or central bank digital currencies, so that they can have, yes, you guessed it, total control. Let's talk about it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active trader. But the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. If you want it to be your asset, you need to hold it on a cold storage or a DeFi wallet. Guys, we've got stories here in the US. We already know what happened in China. You know what's going on in Russia. You know what's going on in India. And you wouldn't think that we would stifle growth like that here in the United States and in places like the United Kingdom. But that is exactly what they are doing, because, you know, innovation, prosperity, retail growth, you and I having what they deem financial freedom seems like one of the worst things that anybody could ever dream of. I'm going to briefly read this article about the UK and what they're doing to stop people from getting their hands on cryptocurrency. And then we're going to reiterate and go over some of the things that they're doing here in the United States so that you can make sure, yes, you don't see any of that financial freedom anytime soon, because your freedom means their lack of control. British banks have continued to crack down on their customers' cryptocurrency purchases. According to a Bloomberg report, Nationwide and HSBC are the latest UK banking giants to impose new limits on their customers' cryptocurrency purchases via debit cards and credit cards. Now, I can understand credit cards. Okay, I can understand credit cards in the sense that, you know, you are borrowing that money and there is a risk associated with cryptocurrency investments, and they don't want a loan on that. So I do get that part. But if you've got $1 in your bank, you can go buy a McChicken with that. You could buy a 4-piece nugget. I don't care if you go give that dollar away to somebody on the side of the road or just crumble it up and throw it in the trash can. It is your decision to spend that dollar however you wish to spend that dollar. Whether it is to invest it, whether it's to be charitable, whether it's to literally just throw it away. It is your decision. You worked for it, and you can spend it how you wish. But not according to the banks, not according to your governments. Nationwide is applying a limit of £5,000 or roughly $5,906,000 on any debit card purchase of cryptocurrency. So they are limiting what you can have access to. Why? There's no risk associated with it to them. Oh yeah, the global monetary policy, the system in place would just crash if cryptocurrency crashes. We can't have the global financial system that relies on the Ponzi scheme of fiat banks in intermingling and commingling with the Ponzi scheme of cryptocurrency. You see how silly it sounds when they try to use the argument of a Ponzi scheme, yet you can't go to the bank and withdraw all of your money, even if you wanted to? Go to the bank and withdraw your money. I guarantee if you've got any sum in there right now, the teller's going to laugh at you and say, no, there's a limit on daily withdrawals, and you can't have access to your funds. It's absolutely wild, man, and I'm telling you that right now. It's actually disgusting. So, now the report shows how many of the major UK banks have also implemented exchange-specific restrictions, specifically towards Binance. You can't even deposit on Binance if you want to right now. Guys, if you think that you're in control of your money, if you think that money is something that you actually went out there and earned and can decide to do what you want with it, I mean, you're wrong. You literally, I can't go to the bank right now and deposit and withdraw my balance if I want to. You can't go to online and deposit any money on Binance. They restrict what you can and cannot buy, even though it is not illegal. Think about that. This is just them deciding to do what they want with the money that you've earned. Now, all of this coincides. Bitcoin Magazine covered the start of these moves from UK banks in tandem with the increased discussion of a UK CBDC. Now, that brings us back over here to the United States. The central bank digital currencies are getting out of hand, if you ask me. In the same way that they believe they can stifle the growth on cryptocurrency and decentralized finance, I believe that we should stifle the growth and on any CBDC or central bank digital currency. Here in the United States, we talked about it yesterday, South Dakota posing potential laws out there to ban cryptocurrency and not allow you to use it as a medium of cash or a medium of commerce or whatever they ended up calling it. You will not be able to spend your cryptocurrency. It will be worthless in terms of having a value. Why? Well, because they want to make room for the central bank digital currency. That cryptocurrency will be used as a medium. That cryptocurrency will be used as a form of payment. If you look at Voyager trying its best right now in a very dumb situation, one that was entered in almost willingly by the negligence or perhaps, fraudulent use by its executives to drive it into bankruptcy. Now, the bankruptcy lawyers doing their best to try and get us our money back as soon as possible. The SEC stepping in and saying, no, those investors should not have their money back. There is a chance that VGX, the native token of Voyager's exchange, is a security. Therefore, put this transaction on hold. The bankruptcy judge finally saying something that I agree with in the fact that is a wild statement by the SEC's representative to make, and I hope that he ignores it. Guys, everywhere you turn, there's downfall and fires being spread in the cryptocurrency world. Right now, there's a run on the bank over at Silvergate. The run is not from retail customers. The run is from cryptocurrency businesses, cryptocurrency exchanges, cryptocurrency enterprises pulling their money out of Silvergate, and Silvergate having a death spiral going on right now, basically losing 60%, 70% of its value over the last couple of days. Why? Because regulations are raining down, and one day, bans can be raining down on the entire cryptocurrency market, stifling growth, stifling innovation, and stifling your ability to see prosperity. Now, I completely disagree with everything that these guys are saying. Do I think we need a little bit more clarity? Absolutely. Do I think that decentralized exchanges could use some regulation and clarity? Absolutely. But you don't get that by simply making it illegal. Draft some rules. Allow them to follow or not follow the rules. And then punish those who do not follow the rules. Don't take it out on everybody. The SEC is acting wild. The UK is acting wild. The US is acting wild. It seems like we are living in a wild world right now. I want to know what you guys think. Do you think cryptocurrency is on its last leg? Or do you think cryptocurrency will prosper and rise above all of this nonsense? Let us know in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.